Very good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's week ahead video, where we'll be going over the market maker cycles on all the major Forex pairs and looking for where we are contextually in those cycles, and if any harmonic patterns have completed in and around those areas. So before I start, trading is risky, especially with CFDs. You aren't offered any protection for taking these signals, as they are not personal recommendations to you. And as a retail client, you lose those traditional protections other retail clients would have, such as being able to complain to the Ombudsman or the Compensation Services Scheme. These signals are authorized and regulated by the FCA. Synergy is regulated. Let's start. Last week, quiet week on the standard group. We had a few signals on the premium that didn't work out well because they were in the peak formation. CHF trades. Directionally, we were good, but stops too shallow. A lot of volatility. But we move on. We've had some unbelievable runners in that premium group, and you have to just take the rough with the smooth. So let's start. AED CAD. A beautiful sell-off. You know, we can see a absolute amazing situation. Massive Gartley. So we took the long here. Here, I believe it was. We took the long, tiny long, got a 50, and then we got our, well, I think it's 100 now running. So that's really nice. 1, 2, this is level 1. This is perhaps the start of level 2. So we are looking for longs. This is the top and bottom of consolidation potentially formed. ADCHF, this one caught us. We looked for the A, B equals CD, but because of the peak formation, it slipped lower. High, 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 low, high, 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 low. We were looking for continuation. That's okay. We didn't get what we wanted. Level 1, level 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's still amazingly setting itself up for higher prices. We just need to jump on. What can I see here? I can see a 1, a 2, potentially another drive to the low. That'll be 4 hits to the low. Unusual. Could happen. Let's see. Here's AED-MZD. So we got the D point up here. So we have A, B, C, D. I'll put those in for you so you can see. Let's just have a look. A, B, C, D. Waiting for that to complete. Could be next week. A, B, C, D here as well. So that's a mega strong confluence in that pattern. We're expecting lower prices. AED USD. So this is one of the Mona Lisas. These should be hung in the Louvre or the Tate. So we've got level 1, level 2. And within this level 2, we are seeing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. A lot of things going on here. You can also see that structure hasn't completed yet. We've got a 1, 2, expect a 3. And to top it all off, it's such a wonderful pattern that it's given us 2 weeks of drop as well. Week of drop, second week of drop. We're looking for shorts. Amazing setup. CAD CHF, not so amazing. Massive ABCD complete, which is a given, ABCD in blue, and now we expect this BC leg to play out. But we've revisited the lows, so that now is a confirmed double bottom, and we can't really be interested in that until we're above here. So we'll just pass on that one for now. CAD JPY, you know, pull back, high, 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 low within the level 2 trend. I can only see this as a 1, and I can only see this as a 2 so far. So I do expect higher prices. Euro AUD is definitely one of the masterpieces in the Louvre. Level 1, level 2. They should just replace all of that art with this. 1, 2, 3. 3 makes 1. This is potentially push 1 and we pull back, or this is 1, 2, and we keep pushing. We're going to be breaking that A point high. The other beautiful thing about this, I believe it served us 2 weeks of rise. It has. Incredible. Euro CAD. Higher levels, higher zone of level 1. We are long, and we've done very nicely on that one. Euro CHF is a bit of a, you know, problem child at the minute. Level 1, level 2. Let me see. 1, 2, 3 to the low. What I thought I was getting was high, 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 low, high, 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 low. I always doubted that as a proper double bottom. It's whether or not we push from here. We created the first leg, second leg, but I can see a 1, 2, which is a characteristic of a lot of CHF trades at the minute. So you can't rule out lower prices. Euro GBP. I took this one long. I sent it as a signal. There really isn't much out there at the minute, but this thing did give me a glimmer of what I want to see. So level 1, level 2. I think this is all a big level 1, and we're trading at the low bounds of that level 1 at the moment. Okay, so you need to back yourself here, back yourself up. So I can see a 1, a 2, and a 3. I can see a 1, a 2, and a 3. I can see a 1, a 2, and a 3. Okay, so lots of 3s going on. What else can you see? I can see a 1, a 2, and a 3 double bottom. Yes, there's a Gartley that's keeping things at bay, but I can also see a 1 and a 2. Or is this a 1, 2, 3 complete? Maybe. Is it going to give a higher low down here? Maybe. The stop's got that covered. These are swing trades. Let's just go to here. This is what I'm seeing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, drop, rise, drop. Now, for me, that's a nice looking long, and I took it. That's it. Euro JPY. Pullback. A pullback potentially in level 2 rise. Euro NZD, amazing. Look at it. 1, 2, and absolutely leaving the zone. So you can count 1, 2, 3, consolidate 1, 2, 3. We should get another consolidation here before we go again. Euro USD, level 1 consolidation, middle of the zone, confusing pass. GBP AED, this is level 1, level 2 rise, another beauty. Look at all these pattern, guys. You've got Euro AUD, you've got AUD USD, you've got GBP AUD, Euro NZD. They're all doing the same thing, predictable thing. Now, how many weeks has this completed? This has gone and done 1, 2, 3 weeks. That is 3 weeks of rise complete and perhaps a double top to finish us here on this little cycle. Moving on, GBP CAD. Again, we traded this. Go back and look. This is when the markets were treating us well and showing us lots of patterns. Yeah, this is I do like this. This is what the Euro CHF, AUD CHF gave us. It gave us a 1, 2, pull back, took out 2, took out 1, and then went. Similar thing may occur. GBP CHF. This is level 1 consolidation, looking for level 2 rise, looking for longs, obviously. GBP JPY, level 2 rise potentially. This is a consolidation, and this could be a consolidation, something to keep an eye on. Something to definitely keep an eye on as it continues to progress higher. GU, again, looking for that pullback. What can I see? A 1, a 2, and a 3. That would be nice. Then I'll be interested. Until then, middle of level 1, consolidation. Enter DCAD. Try to clean this one up a bit for you to make it easier on the eyes. So we have this massive consolidation zone, and we have an ABCD that's created the high and the low. Without from that ABCD, we've seen a double bottom and then a consolidation zone, a double bottom, trying to get people in. I mean, high highs and high lows. This harmonic move here will be very similar to this harmonic move here. That's what I have right there. What we have here is ultimately a pullback. So we can see here that we've come back and completed this. This is something I'm definitely interested in for next week longs, in line with the market cycle. There's a DCHF. What have we got here? We've got the market cycle. We've got the 1, we've got the 2. We tried to Gartley in the peak. It's going to go down as the stats as a trade. That's not that highly probable. We've got the change. We've got the break. We should have had some sort of reaction around here, but we haven't yet. So we need to watch carefully. But this is a 1, 2, 3 hits to the low situation. NZDJPY coming off like a train. Fair enough. NZDUSD, this is something that we took. Again, like AUDUSD, it's the same sort of thing. Level 2 consolidation. 1, 2, expecting a third, and expecting much lower prices and a much stronger dollar. Gold. So we have this as level 2 consolidation, expecting higher. It may have completed a 1, 2, 3 to the low off the 50. This is the right area to be looking for longs. Just going to wait for that false move at the beginning of the week. We're trapping on a Friday, false, trap, false, and then the real. So this is definitely something I want to be kept abreast about. USD CAD, we're getting onto the main, gallery pictures here. Level 2 consolidation into level 2 trend. 1, 2, very powerful indeed. So there you have it, folks. This is my second attempt at recording it. After the first one didn't show you any footage, just a photo of me and my kid. But until next week, I wish you all the very best. Look to get some good trades out, and thanks for watching. Cheers.